In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to customers in QuickBooks Online. Sending professional emails directly from QuickBooks Online can significantly streamline your invoicing process and help ensure timely payments. So, let's walk through the steps together to make emailing your invoices a breeze. To get started, make sure you're logged in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. Here, you'll find several options that allow you to manage different elements of your business. The first thing you want to do is click on Sales. This is your central hub for everything related to transactions, from invoices to customer payments. Within the Sales menu, you'll see multiple tabs at the top of the screen. Locate and click on the tab labeled Invoices. This is where all your customer invoices are listed, complete with their current status. It's the perfect place to take management and communication to the next level when it's time to follow up with clients. Next, scroll through your list of invoices to find the one you want to email. Once you have found the specific invoice, look for a small icon that resembles a caret on the far right of the invoice row. This icon is essential as it reveals additional options for your invoice management. Go ahead and click on that caret icon. Now, once you click on this caret icon, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a few choices. Here, you will either click on Send or Send Reminder. This choice depends on whether you're sending the invoice for the first time or nudging your customer with a reminder. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Once you've clicked on your desired option, you'll be taken to an email editing window. This window allows you to customize several fields to ensure your email meets your expectations and provides the necessary information to your customer. You can adjust the From email address if you manage multiple businesses or identities. Make sure to double-check the recipient's email to avoid sending it to the wrong person. The subject line and the email body will already be pre-filled for your convenience, reflecting the standard templates set up within QuickBooks. However, you can and should edit both of these fields to add a personal touch or provide additional details that may facilitate or expedite payment. Once you are satisfied with how your email looks and all the fields are correctly filled in, it's time for the final step. Click the Send button, and just like that, your invoice is on its way to the customer. This streamlined process ensures that you can swiftly communicate with clients and keep the cash flow moving efficiently. And there you have it. You've just sent an email to a customer using QuickBooks Online. Hopefully, this improves your invoicing workflow and enhances your interaction with clients. Until next time, happy invoicing!